Well, good evening, everyone. This is Mike Bass back again with another forecast update for you for this July the 24th, 2024. I'm hoping everybody had a great Wednesday out there so far. Everybody has a great Wednesday evening. Hope everybody continues to stay safe and well and also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Okay, in tonight's video, we're going to be talking about the forecast for Thursday and Friday, also the Columbia, South Carolina weather radar, also the current watch and warrant advisory map. Also, we're going to take a look at the climate prediction center, or what it is, about the rainfall potentials over the next few days, and also take videos. And let's go get the show on the road here, folks. Connecticut, Pennsylvania, to the Carolinas, down to Florida, stretching all the way back into Arkansas, Louisiana, and Texas, and also Canada, back to Montana, through Idaho, down toward New Mexico, Arizona, including Colorado. We'll report of Texas and Louisiana, and again to Georgia, to the Carolinas as well, for some heavy precipitation. Otherwise, dry high pressure in Japan Peninsula, Jamaica, Cuba, the Bahamas, also in the Newfoundland as well, and portion of New Brunswick. All of this activity is for your Thursday, July 25th. Alright, let's move on to your Friday forecast now. As you can see, we've got some shower activity from Maine back in the portion of northern New Hampshire, northern Vermont. More thunderstorms and showers from Virginia to the Carolinas to the Florida Keys, back to Texas, Louisiana, also stretching up toward Oklahoma and portion of Kansas area as well, down in North and South Dakota. Some flooding also into New Brunswick and the northern U.S. stretching down into Texas as well. All of this activity is for your Friday, July 26th. Alright, here's a look at your Columbia, South Carolina weather radar. As you can see here, we have showers and around Charleston. More activity over in Georgia from Augusta back towards the Albany area. Also Statesboro, and that is moving northeast towards Fairfield and Kershaw counties. Alright, let's move on to the watch and warrant advisory map, your location across the nation. Alright. Okay, sorry about that. That little thing that came up. Alright, we got flood watches over here, portion of the Carolina statement. Flood warnings in effect, portion of New York State. Also some flooded advisory from South Florida. Heat advisory from South Florida. We have heat advisories also special weather statement for western Nebraska and eastern portions of Wyoming. What is, I mean, not rainfall total, but a marginal slight risk areas. All right, we got a marginal risk with Maine. We have a slight portion of Louisiana and eastern Texas. That's day one. Let's move on to day two. Alright, you can see here on day two, we still have a marginal risk from up here around Pennsylvania to areas of Alabama, Mississippi, northern Florida, stretching back into Texas of Montana, these areas of Virginia, Carolinas, well, much of South Carolina, portion of North Carolina, and Georgia as well. All right, let's take a look at day three. A slight risk of flash flooding still expected over in portions of the eastern Carolinas on Friday. Marginal risk elsewhere from Virginia to Florida, back to Louisiana and Texas and Arkansas, again from New Mexico up toward a portion of Wyoming and Utah. Same again from portions of areas for day four. Now, alright, pretty much from up here from Minnesota to the Dakotas, down to Georgia, down to Florida, also back in Alabama, Mississippi, across South Texas, and across portions of southern areas of New Mexico and Arizona into the Atlantic coast. Waters stretching to western U.S. is also elsewhere lighter amounts expected. Alright, well I hope everybody enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe if you have not. We'll catch you back in the next video. Also enjoy the weather because it's the only weather you got. Like the video, share these videos, and make sure you subscribe as well.